Very wee quick one here before I go. Etymology again. Culture. Cull means to kill. Yeah. The cult. Oh, he belongs to a cult. Yeah. To cull is to keep the population of a species to a certain limit. Yeah. The cull. Yeah. Oh, what? City of Culture. Yeah. Culture Club. Boy George. Right? The Karma Chameleon. Yeah, you don't understand what's actually going on in life. The T, sun, am I, the tsunami. Why do you think it comes in every now and again, wipes every cunt out? So here's one, here's a wee one. They stopped the videos the last couple of days, they've not put them on. They just will not put them on because I've explained too much about language and the spells. Poo, poo. Why do you think you get the word poo and poof? So I tell you, the etymology of the word poof. Poo, shit. Yeah? Shit. Dung. Dungeons and Dragons. Dung, eons and dragons. Yeah? Dung, eons. The eons is endless. Endless time. Dung, shit, forever. Yeah? And dragons. Poof. Poo, shit. Yeah? F is number 6. Yeah? 6 in Latin, VI. Yeah? Is sex. Shit, sex. That's why the gay man has sex with the shit. Sticks his cock up the Gary Glitter. Yeah? So, the poof. That is why it's called the poof. You can't say that. Yeah, I can say that. It's in the dictionary. The dick Sean. See, you're all classed as dicks. Every one of these is classed as a dick. You're a member of the public, which a member is a phallus. Yeah? Your head is crowned at birth. Yeah? You're also classed as the L, which is 13, which VI on your palm. Yeah, the 6. The 6 is the sex part. Yeah? Here's the alarm going off again. I knew that was going to happen. Because it does it every time I start talking. It's stopped a couple of videos this week already. So the 6 is the ab. Yeah? The ab is the 6-pack. The sex pack. Yeah? SP 1916 for the fire dragon. Yeah? Oh, oh, you silly billies. Why do you call a silly billy? You're a silly billy. Billy is the willy. As I say, your fucking class is a dick. Yeah? Your head is crowned at birth. Yeah? Making you noble. Spell noble. N-O-B. Knob. The knob. L. Yeah? The knob gods. That is why trees, 67, 6 and 7 is 13, JC, 13, yeah? Water, 67, 13, yeah? 13, 13, 26 for God in the alphabet. The alphabet. So you're all classed as fucking knobs. Fucking dog sitting there just constantly licking itself. That's what the dog is. The dog is a god. Hey, just sitting licking itself off. Fucking horrible little bastards. These elements, element is 74. Yeah, these element gods that created us in this fucking bastard program, yeah, we're left behind to pick up the shit of the dog. Yeah, dog. God. Following the wee cunts, picking their shit up. Everywhere they go. Boom. Picking this shit up. We need to clean all this shit up they've left behind. Yeah? That's it. That's the programme. And then the cat. Cat is 24 for creation, which is before. Yeah? And what does the cat do? That's programmed to bury all the shit. Yeah? Bury the tack. Yeah? Terms and conditions. You've been fucking tricked. You don't understand what this programme's about. Yeah, you've entered a programme and the terms and conditions have been flipped on you. But anyway, that's just my theory. Yeah? Just like science. Science is all theories. I've been studying this fucking language for years now, and the numerology for years. And I'm telling you now, it's not what you fucking think it is. This fucking programme is not what you think. Yeah? You're all getting fucking conned. Yeah? Demonic bastards. That's who's ruling over you. There's the alarm again. Hey, as soon as you mention it, demons, they're only AI, you know. They're AI, they're clones. They're the Cabbage Patch dolls, I call them. Yeah? Cabbage, all fucking Mongols. Cabbages, they can't fend for themselves. They need us to fend for them, to cook for them, to serve them. They're thick as fuck. When it comes to reality and building, they're not the builders. They can't build fuck all. They are thick as fuck. Hey, I can build some things. May I remember Boris Johnson? BJ 12. Yeah? Yeah, I built some things. Said they built a fucking bus out of fucking wine crate. Talking fucking shite. Yeah? Shite, it's shite talk, that's all they do. As above, so below. 2 cheeks in a fucking hole. Eh? Talking shit all day. The gob, backwards. Bog. Eh? Talking shite. The bog. The John. Yeah? Well, I'm going to the John. The John's the bog, which is the gob. Yeah? Fucking. Oh, I'm telling you, they're all thick as fuck, and you're just putting up with all this bullshit that's on the internet. It's all fake as fuck. Claim your divine right of passage, don't let them tell you what to do.